In this video, we will discuss changing the handpiece block position using a CP5 or CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Enter the Settings menu. Scroll down to Equipment. Then to Delivery. Select Holder Configuration. Withdraw the handpiece you would like to reprogram. Select Adjust Settings. Scroll down to Block. Highlight the appropriate block position for the handpiece you are programming. Press Select to save the setting. Return the handpiece to the holder and use the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.